I like to keep my skin and makeup routine really simple. So when a product can offer me a glow, hydration, and sun protection all in one product, I'm sold. Hi, everybody. I'm Nancy Schlesinger, co-owner and vice president of LovelySkin.com. Today, I'm going to unbox the new Jane Iredale Glow Fixation SPF 40 Sheer Tint Skin Enhancer. I am so excited about this new product, and I know you will be too. It's got glow, hydration, and sun protection in one easy step. Think of it as a weightless skin enhancer that brightens, hydrates, and evens your skin tone while it protects your skin. It has a lightweight texture serum and it melts right in. It doesn't feel heavy on my skin. I love the sheer finish. Many of you already know that I'm a huge pure press base fan, and this product layers so well with that. As Lovely Skin is a board certified dermatologist owned and operated beauty and skincare website, my favorite part is that it has sun protection. It's made with zinc oxide to help defend against the UV damage. Glow Fixation is also made with squalane and allantonin to help hydrate and support the skin barrier. And lastly, it contains niacinamide for a more even skin tone. Another great benefit is that it works on all skin types, and it offers 5 flexible shades that blend to match. You can wear it alone or as a luminous base under your makeup. One step and my skin feels brighter and looks hydrated all day long. If you're after a healthy, radiant glow with sun protection, I know you're gonna love this product. Find this and all of the Jane Iredale products at LovelySkin.com. The link is in the description. Thanks, bye everybody.